we get to take kind of a little bit of the best of learnings and all these experiments across all of our different brands and accounts that we work on and make the next one that we get for a customer even better. So we're sort of always, I say, one-upping ourselves. So then we put all that into, how does the design system look? What's the output? We're using Notion for it. And we have a bunch of cards, 60, 70 or so now. And then we link off to the component or the pattern in what we use. We use Lucidchart that then fuels into everything in the LivePerson tool. So in Lucidchart, you can see, here's that return user experience. I can work from this. Maybe I'll adapt it to the flavor of my brand a little bit, or, add in something else that I want to do. But at least it's a starting place to work from for the designer. And then over time, we have all those components start building out sort of like a template or starter bot, if you will, that has all those best practices and patterns in it.